So you're watching this video because you either already don't have the teeth or you're about to lose all of your teeth. So today we're going to discuss different options for people that have already lost the teeth or their teeth are not savable and they need to be all extracted. And I'm going to explain the difference between all the different options. So most people in the United States and all over the world, traditionally, if they lost all their teeth, would get this. They would get a full denture. This is really most inexpensive and the simplest choice that you could do. The denture has been, the full dentures have been around for probably a couple of hundred years. So comparing this to more modern techniques would be like comparing a horse and buggy to a modern car. But what are the pros and cons of a denture? So the dentures can be done quickly. That's one of the benefits. The denture is inexpensive. That's another benefit. Pretty much at that point, all the benefits are exhausted, and all that left are the problems. So what are the problems with the denture? The denture covers your whole mouth, the whole roof of your mouth completely, so it blocks all the taste buds, it blocks all the temperature sensors, so people constantly complain that they cannot taste the food, they cannot taste the temperature of the food, and since the denture is made of plastic or acrylic, it gives them the taste of plastic, so people taste plastic. Denture being made of acrylic or plastic is very porous on the microscopic level. So what happens is it absorbs pigments and food particles and bacteria. So over time, the denture will start to smell. And that's why people need to clean them. They need to soak them in something overnight to eliminate the smell and the taste. But these are not even the biggest problems with the denture. The biggest problem with the denture is the fact that by sitting on your gum and putting pressure on the gum, it leads to bone loss. So one thing that denture does, unlike all the other methods that we're going to discuss later, is it kills the bone. So it leads to permanent bone loss that over time sometimes gets to be so bad that even the denture then doesn't stay in place anymore. So people constantly complain about dentures falling out. They complain about dentures moving and rubbing on their gums when they eat. People can't talk, the denture falls out, or the dentures will click and clack in their mouth like this. So all these things that you may have seen on older people, your parents, your grandparents, this is what dentures do. So if not a denture, what other choices do we have in dentistry? Your next choice would be to anchor a prosthetic, an appliance, to your jaw with dental implants. There's different ways to do it, and we can go over it, but we'll start with the best one. So the best way to anchor a prosthetic to the jaw is to permanently attach it, and that is the concept of Teeth Tomorrow that we offer in my practice. So some key differences between a denture and the Teeth Tomorrow are: the Teeth Tomorrow is open, so there's no palatal coverage. In the upper jaw, you will not have the roof of your mouth covered. The Teeth Tomorrow appliance is much smaller. You can see that it actually doesn't have a flange like the denture. The denture has these flanges. Teeth Tomorrow doesn't. So the Teeth Tomorrow does not rely on suction to stay in place, unlike the denture. So it doesn't have to be big like a denture. Teeth Tomorrow closely resembles your teeth and your gums. It's custom made to fit your specific mouth, your situation. It is custom colored to match the color of your gum, even tissue, and the teeth. So everything is made specifically for you. Now, another big difference is the material. The Teeth Tomorrow is made of Zirconia. Zirconia is one of the strongest materials that we have in dentistry. It is a merge between ceramic and metal. So it's somewhere in between metal and ceramic. It's monolithic, meaning that this whole piece here is made in one big chunk, unlike a denture. So what's the denture made of? Denture is made of acrylic gum, which is the pink stuff that you see, and acrylic teeth. Acrylic teeth are bonded to the gum, acrylic gum. So what happens to dentures over time? Teeth might fall out, tooth might chip or break, you might get a crack in the denture, and the denture might just snap in half. It doesn't happen to teeth tomorrow because teeth tomorrow is one piece of zirconia. So it's very, very strong. If I go like this, I don't know if you can hear it, it's solid. So teeth tomorrow doesn't chip, it doesn't break, it doesn't crack, it doesn't stain, it doesn't smell over time because it's glazed porcelain, it's like glass. It's extremely smooth surface, so it doesn't attract plaque or bacteria like the denture does. And this is the best that the dentistry has to offer. So if we had to compare horse and buggy, this would be your Ferrari or Mercedes-Benz. Hey everybody, thanks for watching us today. It was great fun presenting different options to you. Again, my name is Dr. Kaplansky. If you're looking for a solution for missing teeth, whether it's a single tooth or a full arch of teeth or a full mouth of teeth, we are here to help. Give us a call. My practice is in Gasport. The number is 716-772-7500. And thanks again for watching.